If you're a coffee lover, you won't want to miss this. Introducing the Espresso Master, your ticket to an exquisite coffee experience every single day. Imagine waking up to the aroma of freshly ground beans, the rich, velvety crema, and the bold flavor that ignites your senses. Our Espresso Master is designed with precision, ensuring every cup is perfection itself. Its sleek, modern design will be the envy of your kitchen. The one-touch operation makes brewing your favorite coffee effortless. No barista skills required. And when it comes to cleanup, it's a breeze. Spend more time enjoying your coffee and less time on chores. But wait, there's more. Order today. And we're offering free and fast shipping to anywhere in the United States. But you must act fast. This limited time offer includes an incredible 50% discount, but it won't last forever. Click the link below to order yours today. Taste the difference with Espresso Master, where perfection meets your cup. Espresso Master, your perfect brew every time.